Hi, friends. Happy Wednesday and welcome to another DIY Wednesday with Allison Price. That's me from the Infused Life, and I'm here to teach you simple ways to live a more non-toxic lifestyle. So today I want to share with you a special snack that I love to make my kids, especially my daughter. She absolutely loves it. And I thought with Valentine's Day coming up, I've been sharing lots of DIY Valentine's Day-ish recipes. And if you are on my newsletter list, you're going to be getting a special link to some extra ones today. But I thought I'd share a fun snack that you may want to make over the Valentine's holiday. So maybe you might be watching movies or whatever it might be. This is called Nooch popcorn. So let me explain as I get this heated up. And I pop popcorn from popcorn seeds on my stove. I do not use my microwave. It actually does not work. It stores storage containers. My friend was over the other day and I opened this up and she was like, "Oh, I guess you don't use your microwave." No, this broke years ago and I just don't care for the microwave. So, and plus microwavable popcorn, bad news, Betty. So, this is the popcorn that we actually like to use. It is called Amish Country Popcorn. We like the baby white kernels. They're extra small and tender. But most importantly, I like to make sure that the seed I'm buying, I don't know that you can really see that, but I like to make sure that the seed is non-GMO. That's really important. Anytime that you can get away from genetically modified foods, the better. And corn is a huge offender, like one of the number one offenders. So when you're looking for a popcorn seed to pop, make sure it is non-GMO. I will link to this stuff for you guys too, if that's helpful. Now I heat up a pan and then you can either you want to use an oil that's good for high heat cooking. So coconut oil or avocado oil are going to be my go-tos. Today I'm doing avocado just because I've got it sitting right here. So you want to put enough in to fill the bottom of your pan. And then I only put in enough popcorn seed to make a single layer on the bottom of the pan. So you don't want to have like tons of popcorn seed to the point where it's stacked on top of each other. Then it's not going to pop right. So I'm going to throw in my seeds, put the lid on, and I'm going to let it pop. It's fun. Kids love to do this too. So then I will show you this, but what I do when I season this is I season with salt, and I always use real salt. And then this is what the Nooch is. So it is nutritional yeast. I like Bragg's. You can see that. So nutritional yeast is not like the yeast that you bake with. It's not a brewer's yeast that you use to make and ferment beer or anything like that. Um, but what is so great about it is it gives it a cheesy, almost nutty flavor. It's amazing. So you can use this on lots of things. And I've been doing this for years, but as I've been doing more research on the actual benefits of nutritional yeast, I found that it is very popular in the vegan community if you're a vegan because it contains high amounts of protein. 2 tablespoons of this gives you 8 grams of protein. It also gives you 4 grams of fiber. And then there's a whole host of benefits to using nutritional yeast. So again, get away from all of the nasty seasonings that contain MSG and sugars and just synthetic yuck and use natural things that also support your body. So this is very supportive to your immune system. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties. It helps to support digestion. It can help with your hair, your skin, your nails. If you're prego, this is great because it's high in B vitamins, especially B12. So my popcorn's about done here. Just get it to pop a little bit more. And if you want to put an extra kick and flavor your popcorn with something like On Guard, which I know sounds crazy, but it's actually really good, add a few drops into the oil as it's melting down, and it'll flavor your popcorn. Okay, so that's about done. So, cutest popcorn ever, because they literally are smaller kernels. So let's see if you can see this. So, oh, they're hot. They're hot. Teeny tiny little kernels, but they're fun. So then I just season it, obviously, with salt. and the nutritional yeast. And if my sisters are watching this, they're probably like, ugh, they always think it sounds so gross. But I promise it tastes so good. It gives it like a nutty, cheesy flavor. I don't know that you're really going to be able to see. It's like a yellow color, but it tastes absolutely amazing. And then when I'm enjoying it, I like to add some garlic salt too. I like that on my popcorn. So this is a healthy, nutritious snack that you can make. I make it, I pack it in lunches, I make it and I put it into brown paper bags and we take it when we're going on adventures and things like that. So this is what is called Nooch popcorn. Nooch is the word that they use for nutritional yeast. And it's a great way to get extra fiber, extra protein in your diet and make your popcorn healthy instead of the atrocious microwaveable popcorn. If you start researching what's really in that, you will try this, you will love it, and you will never turn back. So thanks for joining me on another DIY Wednesday. If you have any suggestions of things that you would like to see DIY for a more healthier version, shoot me a message, let me know. And on that note, have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you again next Wednesday.